Hi, this is Alice from SIS Packaging. Today I want to introduce you some of our deodorant stick container. Like this one, we have the capacity as 15, 50 and 75 ml. For this shape, we have 15 and 20 ml. And also we have like this one, a round shape. We have 15 and 30, 50 and 75 ml for you to choose. Also, we have the smallest one, the capacity is 5 ml. For the color, you can see the previous color, it is transparent, and you can do the injection color for any color as per your requirement, such as yellow, orange, black, blue, and pink, as the pantone number or the real sample. For the lead time, maybe about 35 days, so that if you are interested in our deodorant stick container, please contact me on Alibaba. Thank you.